Hey guys, Calvin here. Today I have a survival coffee solution for you. This is a neat little coffee maker by the Vigiano brand. And it's really cool because you don't need any electricity to use it, and it makes a perfect cup of coffee every time. So what you do is you want to add about 3 ounces of water into here. You're going to take this little piece here, pop that in there, and since it will be the best solution for storage of coffee, I'm using K-cups just because it's pre-ground. You can store them easily, buy them for cheap, and they will last and stay fresher longer than normal coffee beans or other pre-ground coffees because they put a lot of nitrogen and other preservatives into it. So now that you got that ready, all you do is make sure that there's no coffee grounds on the edge here. You're gonna take your top, screw that right on, make sure it's real tight, and you're ready for step 2. All right guys, all you gotta do now is turn on your stove. And the hotter the better with this. I'm gonna place that right on top. It's a little hard for me to balance on this one, but there we go. And in just a few seconds, you should see the coffee start coming off that spout at the top there. There we go. Pretty cool, huh? Now we just take it off the heat, turn off our stove, and enjoy our cup of coffee. Alright everybody, that is going to do it for our video today. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to see more content like this in the future, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our Facebook page. I'll link that in the description. There are tons of people there who you can interact with and discuss freeze drying, food storage, survival, all of it. And we post little gadgets like this pretty consistently, so yeah, make sure to check us out. As always, have a wonderful day.